What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ceddy B back again from C Note Music Company. Today we got Butterflies by Queen Naija. You've been asking for it, so here it is. Um, Four buttery smooth chords. Follow me and don't forget, like, subscribe, request, and comment. All right, let's get to it. I'll play through a couple of times and then I'll explain. All right, so the song is in the key of D sharp. Let's swap through the scale one time. D sharp is the 1, F is the 2, G is the 3, G sharp is the 4, A sharp is the 5, C is the 6, D is the 7, D sharp is the 1. All right, let's play through it. All right, there you have it. All right, so let's go through the chords. Left hand, we got the 4, and then we're gonna play 4, 1, 4, and then we're gonna play 1, 5, 2. So 4, 1, 4, and then it'll be 4 chord, and then 1, 5, 2. 1 chord, and then is 2, 6, 3, 7. All right, that's it for the left hand. So let's add the right hand. So left hand, remember I said 4, 1, 4. Right hand, we're gonna play 6, 1, 3, 5. Then to the 1. Remember I said 1, 5, 2. And then our right hand, we're going to play 3, 5, 7, 2. So back to the 4. Back to the 1. Now we're going to the 2 on our left hand. Right hand, we're going to play 4, 5, 6, 1. Then left hand, we're going to go to the 3 and the 7. And in our right hand, we're going to play 5, 6, 7, 2. So we got all right, so as you can hear, it's fairly easy, but it's real smooth, buttery, nice, creamy, all of that. Make you feel good, queasy, warm inside. All right, I ain't gonna get too emotional on y'all. Again, like, request, subscribe, comment, and hopefully this helps you out. Again, this is Cedric Brayton or Ceddy B with C Note Music Company coming to you again. Thank you.